If you watched the simple business question video on this website or on YouTube, you know that Innico CFO Richard Dunlop handed a very reasonable set of report requests over to IT Director Allison Smith. While optimistic at first, Allison's team analyzed the request and discovered that it was more complicated than they had first expected, especially the parts related to stock excesses and shortages. Using conventional tools and technologies, Allison's team had no hope of delivering what the CFO needed in the few days they were given. Allison turned to Every Angle for help, and to her astonishment, the team at Every Angle solved the request in about 20 minutes with demo data. Let's see how they did it. Richard Dunlop asked 5 basic questions. We can answer them in Every Angle by selecting New Angle, the group of objects Orders and Stocks, and then selecting the object Sales Order Schedule line. We then filter on the field Execution Status to see only open orders, and then save our angle. Every Angle will automatically include a default set of attributes to the angle, but we need to add a few. This is an easy drag and drop exercise. Let's add Country, Material Type, Sales Organization, Stock Excess at the plant material level, and Stock Shortage at the plant material level. They are all automatically and immediately populated with data. After we add these attributes, our angle has all of the information Richard Dunlop needs. We just need to organize it a little better. To answer the first question, let's build a matrix starting with the Country attribute. Right-click and select Matrix. So Country is along the left side. Now let's put Delivery Reliability across the top. Delivery Reliability is a very powerful Every Angle derived attribute. We'll put Quantity in the data fields. We can double-click into any of the fields and drill down to start investigating further. So we started with Sales Order Schedule line, filtered to only include open orders, and built a matrix by country and added insight into whether orders are not critical, critical, or already late using the Delivery Reliability attribute. First question answered. To answer the second question, let's build a matrix with Material Type on the left, Plants across the top, and Quantity in the data fields. This shows us all of the SAP material types found in our system broken down by the plant where they reside. We can always double-click to drill into the data. Now this question has 2 parts, so we need to look at it by material value or sales value in addition to quantity. We'll select sales value. Okay, the second question has been solved. For the third question, we'll build a matrix with Sales Organization on the left, Delivery Date across the top, and we'll break it into monthly buckets. We'll use Sales Value in the data fields, and we'll add percent by row. Since this data is extracted from an SAP IDES system, you'll notice that the dates are in the past. Third question, solved. The fourth and the fifth questions are the most difficult to program because they combine demand and resupply, a very complicated logic exercise using conventional technologies, but a breeze for Every Angle because, well, the hard work's already been done. This time we'll create a chart, make it a bar chart. Put plant across the left axis and stock excess quantity plant material in the bars. We'll make the bucket a billion, and bingo, a bar chart showing excess stock. Simple as that. Now you can double-click the bar and drill into it to examine the data further. To answer question 5, we simply change the bars to stock shortage quantity plant material. To find out exactly what materials are short, we can click into the bar and drill down. So in about 5 minutes, we answered all of Richard Dunlop's questions. Now we know why Allison was so happy, and she doesn't even realize yet that these angles, or any others, can be pumped into any dashboarding technology for high-level reporting. Now think about the questions that you need to have answered in your business. In a few minutes of work with every angle, you can have those answers with no programming, no business requirements docs, no special meetings. Just get the answers that you need to do your job. If you contact us, we'll tell you how you can try it on your SAP with no financial risk.